Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ignition coil wire grommet in your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the starter. Next, remove the wire and boot from the spark plug. Unthread the 5 screws securing the engine cover. Pry off the cover. This may require some effort. Set the leaf blower on its side and unthread the 4 screws securing the fuel tank retainer. Set the fuel tank and retainer aside. Next, unthread the screws securing the ignition coil cover. Detach the cover. Lift the wires out and, if still intact, remove the old grommet. Install the new ignition coil grommet by sliding it onto the wires, then position it in the housing. Reposition the ignition coil cover and thread the screw. Realign the retainer on the fuel tank and reposition the assembly on the frame. Confirm the washers are in place on the screws, then thread the 4 screws to secure the retainer. Reposition the engine cover. Thread and tighten the screws. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug. Realign the starter, making sure the pulley engages with the starter pawls. Thread the screws to secure the assembly. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.